Welcome to the final section of our Pixlr tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk through the finishing touches to get your project ready to save, share, and shine. Let's start with layers, the building blocks of any great design. In Pixlr Express, the Layers panel is streamlined and beginner-friendly. Thumbnails are larger, making it easy to see what you're working on. Click Add Layer at the top to insert a new layer. Then use the Settings icon to adjust blending modes, opacity, visibility, or lock and merge layers. There's also a default background layer, which you can customize with a solid color. In Pixlr Editor, the Layers panel is built for more complex, multi-layered projects. Thumbnails are smaller to maximize workspace, and layer settings are accessed by right-clicking. You'll find buttons to duplicate layers or create at the bottom of the panel. Want to group layers? Select them and click the chain link icon, or right-click and choose Link Layers. This lets you move or transform multiple layers together. Keep your layers tidy and well-organized. This helps Smart Resize adapt your design more accurately across different platforms. Next, let's talk about Smart Resize, a time-saving feature that adapts your design to fit different platforms. To access it, in Pixlr Express, go to the Crop tab and select Smart Resize. In Pixlr Editor, navigate to Image, then Smart Resize. From there, choose from preset dimensions for Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, and more. You can also enter custom sizes to match your specific needs. Pixlr automatically adjusts your layout to fit the new dimensions, minimizing manual tweaks. You can even enable auto-rotate to ensure your image displays in the best orientation. Now that your design is ready, let's export it with the right settings. Here's a quick guide. JPEG, best for photos and detailed images with smooth gradients. It offers the ideal balance between small file size and good visual quality. PNG, great for graphics, logos, or any image that requires a transparent background. WebP, perfect for web use where load speed matters. It provides excellent compression and smaller file sizes than JPEG or PNG, while maintaining high quality. PDF, best for print materials, keeps your design and layout consistent across all devices and printers. PXE, Pixlr's project file format. It saves all your layers, masks, and adjustments so you can reopen and continue editing anytime. In Pixlr Editor, you can also export individual layers as PNGs, a handy feature for creating icons, logos, or product assets. That's it, you've made it to the end. Whether you're making quick tweaks or diving into detailed designs, Pixlr gives you the tools to create with ease. Thanks for joining us. Stay creative and happy editing.